Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Miss McBlush. My name is Muskan and today's video is this look inspired by my favorite Instagram makeup artist. I love her work and I have been obsessed with this look, and you guys have been asking me to step out of my comfort zone, so I did that for you. So I am recreating this look that I have been obsessed with. So yeah, so the first thing I did is I moisturized my face and directly moved on to my eyes. But before getting into all of that, I just want to tell you that this video is a big messy video because oh yeah, I am applying lip balm. But this video is a mess because I literally wanted to film my eye makeup part of the video as a voiceover because I get to focus more when I'm not talking, and then I decided to do the rest of my face in a talk through style, and I did that, but my camera stopped recording. I mean, I didn't press record, so yeah, so that's why this video is all over the place, but the look turned out so nice that I wanted to do it. So the first thing I applied on my eyes, on my under eyes, are these eyeshadow shields because this glitter has a lot of fallout. So this is just so that I don't have glitter all over my face. And then I used my Huda Beauty nude eyeshadow palette and this beautiful glitter on top of the pack glitter glue or glitter primer. I don't know what that is, but I've kept a lot of this footage because I really want you guys to see how I did it. And I really need to take a note that I need to stop covering my eyes with the mirror, and I promise I'm going to do that. But the reason why I chose my fingers to apply the glitter is because it sticks better to my finger than to the brush, and I'm actually using a spoolie to remove the glitter that went above the crease. I strictly wanted the glitter to be in my crease, and a spoolie is actually a great way of getting rid of glitter from your face. Then I took this Colorbar blue liner. You don't really need this if you have a blue eyeshadow. You can just draw a liner with your concealer and then pack the blue eyeshadow on it. But I had a blue liner and I did my look with the blue liner, but I genuinely think that would have been easier because this was just really difficult to apply on top of the glitter. And as you guys can see, the glitter is pretty chunky, so it was really hard for me to apply that liner. And yeah, so I basically applied a wing liner but also took it into my crease again. So I just wanted to make sure the upper crease liner is not visible when I open my eyes, so that's what I'm checking. But honestly, I love this look, and now I'm going to give the mic to the past Muskan.
Okay guys, so the blunder of the year has happened. I did my entire makeup on camera, but I did not press the record button, and I am so fucking upset. So anyway, now I'm quickly going to take you through my look again. This is what I don't like about talk through videos. Your camera stops recording, you're so busy talking that you never realize. I'm just going to put on lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on and I don't really know how I feel about them. So I'm just going to do my lower lashes. I just constantly feel like there's a roof on my eye and my eyes keep watering because of these lashes and they're too big. These are the Jacqueline lashes by Huda. I mean, I love how they look on camera, but they're very uncomfortable. Oh my god. But never mind, today I am doing things that are not in my comfort zone. And this is it. So I'm just going to tell you what I did. Okay, so for my moisturizer slash primer, I used my Embryolisse moisturizer. Pretty basic, major favorite. For my foundation, I used the Nars Sheer Glow foundation in the shade medium to Santa Fe. I really like how this foundation is looking on my face. So then I took my Mercier translucent setting powder to set my face, and I just set under my eyes and on the acne marks that I had. Then I went in with my Hourglass ambient lightening palette in Ghost, and I applied this for my bronzer. I mixed one, okay, so I mixed 1, 2 and 3 for my blush because I really wanted that glow, and then I mixed all 3 of them for my highlighter because I did not want a blinding highlighter because I did not want to take any attention off my eyes, and I want the makeup look to revolve around my eyes, so I decided to keep my bronzer, blush and highlight to the minimum. Now coming to the lips, I have 2 options. So I would honestly like wear a nude lipstick and just put on a lip balm on top of it because I want the eyes to be highlighted the most, but I want something glossy, and my lip balm is not going to stay glossy for that long, so I'm going to use my Glossier lip gloss, my favorite brand ever, and one of my favorite products from the brand. Did you guys see that? And I'm just going to apply this. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My eyelashes are so uncomfortable. I cannot wait to remove them because I can literally see them and my eyes feel so weird. So yeah, that's it. I like the look. As I said, I said, but my camera did not record, that this lid is slightly smaller than this one. So this eyeshadow looks like it's going straight and this one's going a little curvy, but that's not the case. They look pretty similar in person, and I'm proud of what I've done here. And agar comments mein maine read kiya that you've put on too much makeup, I swear I will find you after this lockdown and I will come to your house and I will ask you, bhai tumko chahiye kya? Because you guys have always been, you know, like you guys have always asked me to do things out of my comfort zone, and this is really like this is my comfort zone, and this is the makeup look. That's how out of my comfort zone this is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do more colorful looks, and let me know in the comments what you think of this one. I am really liking being out of my comfort zone. Thank you guys so much for pushing me out of it, and let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I will see you super soon in my next video.